Hi, in this session I will let you know how to make threads. So for that part, okay, before making threads I need to make some part on which threads can be made. So let us draw a part. This time I'll make a polygon, front plane, and from this center, okay, I will draw polygon, and this is a polygon, yes, and then this is 50, okay, and I'll extrude it, yes, this is 10, I want, let's say 20, this is 20, okay, and now I'll make it normal, okay, and check this. Now on this I'll make one more sketch. There is a circle, this face, and then from the center I'll make this big, which is almost 15, yes, okay, and then I will feature extrude it. Okay, now let's see how big I want it 50, this big, a little bit more, which is a 60, or yes, 60 is enough. Okay, so I made a bolt, a hexagonal bolt, hexagon with 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides. But now on this hexagonal bolt I want to make a threads over here. So how to make threads? So initially what you need to do is you need to see on which plane it's made. This is top plane, right plane, front plane. Now making a reference geometry, one more plane, and that plane, look, where is it? It is below the bolt, so I don't want it to below. Decrease the distance like this. Now this is on the edge. Now I want to make a thread, and yes, definitely a thread can be made from this point itself, but here in this case, to teach you more, I'll make a plane still inside here somewhere, 70 or 75, here somewhere, yes. Now you know the plane intersects the part here, the plane intersects the part over here. Well, if I want to convert this thing into a sketch based area, how to do? For example, if I select this thing, this is a plane, the pink colored area, I can convert this pink color, this area, the green color area now, into convert to entities. But if I want to select the area in which the plane intersects, how to do? I'll show you. Right click, it shows error, definitely it will show error, close. These are the two bosses which I've extruded. Now again selecting the front plane, reference geometry, plane, and then as I told you, this should be 75, yes, zoom in, and okay, the plane is made. Now what I will do is, look, I will make it normal. No, this was made in, which is this plane, this was made in this plane, and this is the top plane. So top plane, making this top plane is normal. Look how it looks. And then what I will do is I will sketch. Okay, I want this convert to entities, so we'll select this thing and I will convert to entities. Sketch cannot be inserted using the currently selected edge. Okay, so I'll make it, we'll go to sketch. Okay, so here in this case I have selected the plane. Yes, I have selected the plane. Now I'll go to sketch, and then now I will select this and then convert to entities. Look, I have done. So select a plane, then go to sketch, then select what you want to make and then convert to entities. So I was telling you this thing. Now the plane intersects the parts over here, so this has been converted into a design area, which is convert to entities, and now you can draw your threads. Okay, so this is okay. And now how to do threads? Go to insert, curve and helical. Look, so from this it has made a helical or a spiral, but on the bottom side. So if it is on the bottom side, click in the arrow, double click on the arrow, it should be on the upward side. So how to make it upward side? This is only 1 revolutions. I don't want 1 revolutions, I want it, let's say 5 revolutions. Okay, see on the bottom there are 5 revolutions, but on the opposite side I will reverse the direction. Simple. Yes, I will reverse the direction, but it goes on the top. In this case the pitch distance is too much. Let's make it only 5. Yes, now you can zoom in. It's only 5. I'll make it, let's say 8. Yes, so there are 5 revolutions with 8 pitch. Okay, and this is clockwise, this is counterclockwise, depends how you want to move your threads. So generally clockwise, and then make it okay. Okay, we have created spirals. After creating this, you need to select what kind of thread you want to make. So for that, what you need to do is, look, the thread starts from here, this point, the orange point, and it ends over here. Again, this will be an orange point here. So now from here I'll make one more sketch, a circle from this point, the orange point. Look, it should be orange, or else there will be some mistake. No, it should be orange, I told you. So what we'll do this in back. I don't want this circle back. The sketch, delete. Yes, now select this. Okay, I've selected this, and on this I will draw a circle. You need to be very sure where are you making the circle. But no, this won't happen once again. So you need to be very careful. Select this. Yes, you have selected this, and after selecting this, zoom in. After making zoom in, what you can do is select a circle, open the tree, select the helical, and now select the helical, it goes away. Select the sketch, this is a sketch which is being made, and you are making a circle, but again it goes look, it is difficult to find out where you need to make a circle. If you make here, it will be an error, so better be don't do this. Close it. Look, the helical or the helix or the spiral which we made has been spoiled. So Control Z, yes, again Control Z, one more Control Z, yes. Now the helix is okay. Now what you need to do is you need to select this thing, top plane, and make it normal. Look, after making normal, go to sketch and draw a circle. Where to draw a circle? You can draw a circle at the bottom or at the top. We'll go at the top and see, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in until you see a zoom in a little bit more. Where you want to draw a circle, zoom in a bit more. Yes, you can see a line. Zoom in more. Yes, from here we'll draw a circle. This is circle. Yes, definitely this is a circle, but due to graphics, look, this is a circle. Yes, but this is very small circle. I'll make it 5. Can you see the circle? If it is 5, we'll zoom out, fit to screen. Yes, this 5 circle is very big. Don't want 5, make it 2. This big. Okay, now this circle is here. Okay, now it's very simple. Done. Back. And now what you're going to do is features and sweep cut. Okay, so this is already selected. You need to select this profile, go to tree, select the helix profile, and go to here. You need to select the profile which is helix. Yes, look, and then OK. Look, you have made threads on this. Beautiful. It really looks beautiful. Now you have made threads on this which starts from this point. You can also make threads which starts from the bottom. So now what you can do is you can modify some things. This is cut tree, edit feature. Okay, I don't want to modify the cut sweep. Close it. What you need to modify is, look, this is the boss extrude, this boss, this is a plane, again this is the boss, top boss. Open it. You need to, what you need to do is, wait, yeah, this is helix, and then edit feature. Need to change the helix little bit. Now this is pitch 8. I'll make it 10. I'll make pitch 10, and number of revolutions I'll increase it to 8. It increases, so let's make this pitch as 5, smaller, and number of revolutions 10. Okay, now make it okay. Look, this thread, how this thread looks beautiful. So this is a bolt which is being made. So this is the bolt which is being made along with the threads. Now I will show you views, different kind of views. Look, this is zoom to fit. When you click zoom to fit, it fits almost in the center of the workbench. This is the workbench, and it shows the best possible, in a best possible way, how the part looks. Okay, this is zoom to area. When you click zoom to area, left click and see what happens. If I want to zoom to this area, then left click and drag a little bit. You can see this plus sign, and now leave the mouse button. Look, now you can see how this part, this feature looks. Okay, again this thing, zoom to fit, left click, it fits to screen. So this was our zoom to fit. This is previous view. When you left click this, it shows this was your previous view. Again left click this, this was the earlier previous view. One more left click, yes, back to the original view. Now this views, left click, I have shown you like the different views. This is top view, left view. I have explained this thing earlier. Now with this thing, this is isometric view. Left click, this is isometric view. Again left click, and this is trimetric view. This is trimetric. Again left click, and then here is dimetric. Left click. So what's the difference between these three views? Isometric, trimetric and dimetric. Left click, you can see the angles, the placement of the angles are different. The angle, left and right angle is different, left and right angle is different, and this is different. Generally I use isometric for everything. So this is the view I use for many things. Now coming to this area, it's display style. Left click, this is the shaded with edges. Left click, this itself is shaded with edges. How you viewed your parts. Left click, and this is without the edges, which is, look, it's only shaded. Left click, look how the part looks, but it has no edges, the black color edges. This is left click, again with edges. Okay, now one more time, left click, and this is hidden lines removed. This is wireframe. I will start with wireframe. Left click, look how the wireframe looks. Each and every feature you can see in wireframe. So it represents all the edges, everything in a wire form. Again left click over here, hidden lines visible. Left click. Now here what you can see is, you can see the edges of the part, and plus also you can see the hidden lines. The hidden lines represents the lines. These are dotted lines. Look, the dotted lines, the orange dotted lines are called as hidden lines, and they represent the parts which I cannot see in the front view. So the features at the back are represented by the dotted lines called hidden lines. Look, again moving the parts, still you can see some hidden lines. Look closely over here. Look, you can still see some of the hidden lines. And again left click, this is without hidden lines. Left click, look, now you cannot see any of the hidden lines. Look, you can see only the edges. How the part looks beautiful, as if I have sketched this part. Left click. So I completed this options, and I will move to the next options. This is something different. So before that I will show you this section, but before going to section I will make it to normal view. This is shaded and edges. Now section, how the section works. Look, this is front plane. In front plane, move it downwards. Look, it shows how your part looks in the front plane. This is top plane. Now from the top plane, when you section it, how your part looks here. again the right plane, because this is a circular object. The right plane and the top plane are same. Look how it looks. Now what you can do is, this is the right plane. Now you can make this into an angle. This is X and this is Y. Look, I'll make it an angle. As you can see, this is X, this is Y. So this is X. Look, it moves in the X direction like this, 12 degrees. Let's make this thing as 15 degrees, and then see how you section your part. When you section your part, look, like this. Similarly, for example, if this is 0 and you want to move the y moves in this way, okay, and then it shows how the part is being sectioned like this. Similarly with the right plane, top plane, front plane, everything. So close this sectional view. So this was everything about views. Thank you.